Okay, igama lami nguNonceba Ginya from House of Elegance. It's an events company. Ngokombono wami isithembu kukabili sihle sibi kunama advantages nama disadvantages. Othanda ungena esithembini angangena if they feel comfortable with it, but if ungena khona owami umbono kungawukuthi you need to be ready emotionally, and also if financial stable, that will add the advantage as well. And then on the bad side of it, if you are not a person or emotional stable, I don't think isithembu would be good for you, because bear in mind ukuthi you'd be sharing umuntu wesilisa. So siyabantu besifazane asifani nama emotions wethu awafani, so kahle kahle kukumuntu, but isithembu sinama advantages nama disadvantages, but it depends on ukuthi umuntu ready for sona emotionally, financially and otherwise, because kungenzeka ukuthi uyangena kanti not financial stable now, uzobheka umuntu wesilisa, and that can turn out to be very stressful for umuntu wesifazane. So kahle kahle kukumuntu sinama advantages nama disadvantages, but ready ukuba right kwaso, it depends on a person and how they feel about it personally. Yabonga.